The smart school, ये मेरा स्कूल है. The smart school, हम सबका स्कूल है.
Assalamu alaikum and good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are fine and having great time at home. I welcome you all to the Smart School e-lesson classroom. Now let's see what are we going to do today. We will learn about sky, grass and root letters. We will differentiate between sky, grass and root letters. We will also write sky, grass and root letters.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, N, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs, 26 letters from A to Z.
Do you know how many alphabets are there? There are 26 alphabets. And you know all the small alphabets are divided into sky, grass and root letters. Let's see how.
Sky letters B, D, F, H, K, L, T.
Sky letters always go up and touch the first line. Now let's see what are the sky letters. B, D, F, H, K, L, T.
Grass letters A, C, E, I, M, N, O, R, S, U, V, W, X, Z.
Grass letters always stay between the second and the third line. Now let's see what are the grass letters. A, C, E, I, M, N, O, R, S, U, V, W, X and Z.
Root letters G, J, P, Q, Y.
Root letters always go down and touch the last line. Now let's see what are the root letters. G, J, P, Q, Y. Great! This is your day 1 task. You need to practice writing alphabets A till Z on your green board first. You can also draw some lines on your green board, red and black lines by using colored tape or permanent markers, or else you can write it freehand as well. So best of luck. This is your day 2 task. This task should be done in your Smart Language workbook. You need to write sky letters, grass letters and root letters on your workbook. Okay, starting from page number 2 till page number 5. This is your day 3 task. This task should be done in your notebook. You need to write all the alphabets starting from A till Z in your notebook, and then you need to color sky letters blue, grass letters green and root letters brown as shown in the sample picture. Best of luck!